Hi, I'm Tiffany, and this is Broke Girl Aesthetic. On this channel, I do budget-friendly DIYs, thrift flips and hauls, trashy treasures, and more.
For this little craft that I'm going to put together today, it's a pretty quick one, pretty easy, and I'm using some beads that I got from Beebeecraft, who I've worked with a couple of different times, and I'm using these cute little wooden beads that have hearts already like engraved into them, and I'm going to make a keychain with these. But what I want to do is I'm going to paint the inside of the heart. Each one's going to have a different color, but the rest of it is going to be painted another color. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and paint all of the beads that I'm going to use. I'm going to paint them all in this color, nautical, from the Folk Art Home Decor chalk paint. I'm going to paint them all in that color first. So I'm going to go ahead and jump to that. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paint inside these hearts with some white. So that way the colors will be the pure colors that I'm using. Just taking a little brush and just painting inside the little hearts. And now that these are painted, as you can see, got a white heart here, the rest of it is blue. So we're going to go ahead and paint each heart color of the rainbow. And I'm going to do pink, red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So I'll just get my paint on here and then let them dry. These are dry, and now I can start assembling my little keychain. So I'm going to use this kind of thin cord. It's cotton. It feels like macrame cord. It's nice and soft. So I'm going to use some of this. There's a few pieces. And obviously I want to make it long enough to go for the beads. But what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to do it in a macrame style, I'm going to make 2 strands quite long, because I'm going to do some square knots around the beads. Excuse me. Two strands. Now, put that away. That. All right. What I'm going to do here, maybe pull them even. Using the lark's head knot. It's basically just slip it in there. I kind of want it to be loose enough to move that keychain or key ring through there. There we go. There. And I'm going to glue these together with some hot glue so I can hopefully thread it through the beads. Alright, now I've got my beads threaded on the cord here. So next, I'll take the second strand, this out of the way, and start my square knot. Try and get it in the middle, like that. Go over on the left side, taking the left strand, pulling it over, right strand goes up under, like that. Pull it tight. This. And now I will go right side over, left side goes up under, that. If you've seen my other macrame, you know I use a little chant to help me stay in place, left over, left under. I'm going to do a couple more of those. And now I will hook the first bead, this pink one, there. So this goes around the bead here, and I'll cup up underneath because I put the left side over. That, and then the opposite. There, secure that down there like that. Apologies, my computer is making noise. So there's the start of that, and I will just, I think maybe I'll do left over, left under. So we'll do one more left over, and then on the next one it'll be right, left under. Okay, there we go. Yep. We'll do 3 square knots down and then a bead, 3 square knots down and then a bead. And I'll just continue that the rest of the way. Go. It's all finished. Cute little rainbow color. Finish it off with a larger bead, about 4 knots and some hot glue. So there it is. Thanks again to Beebeecraft for such cute little beads. The link for the beads and all of the information on Beebeecraft is in my description box below. They do have a YouTube program, which I am a part of, and that is linked in my description box as well. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye.